Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Annie's Maths Tutorials. And today I'm going to be doing some division, and I'm going to be doing the basics, and I call it bush shelter. And we are going to be doing bush shelter division using the 2s, 5s times tables. So we feel confident with the 2s and 5 times tables. I'm sure you're going to pick this up, no problem. So first let's look at the number 68. We're going to put 68 in the bush shelter because we are dividing 68 by 2. So the number that we are dividing goes inside the bush shelter, and the number we're dividing by goes on the outside. So we're dividing by 2. So first up we look at the first digit, the 6, and we ask ourselves how many 2s are there in 6? Nice and easy, there's 3. And we put the answer at the top. And then we move to the next digit, the 8. How many 2s are there in 8? Nice and easy, it's 4. So the answer is 34, with no remainder. Okay guys, let's look at one from the 5 times table. So we are putting 50 inside our bush shelter, and we're going to divide 50 by 5. So we're going to look at the first digit, the 5. How many 5s are there in 5? There's 1. Move across to the 0. How many 5s are there in 0? There are no 5s in 0, but we must put the answer at the top to make 10. Next guys, let's look at another one from the 2s times tables, and we're going to be dividing 84 by 2. 84 goes inside the bush shelter, 2 goes on the outside, and first of all we look at the first digit, the 8. How many 2s are there in 8? There are 4. How many 2s are there in 4? There are 2. Nice and easy. Okay, next let's look at another number in the 5 times table. We're going to put the number 55 inside our bush shelter, and we are going to divide 55 by 5. First of all, look at the first digit. How many 5s are there in 5? There is 1. The second digit, how many 5s are there in 5? There's 1. So our answer is 11. Okay guys, back to the 2 times table, and we're going to be dividing 48 by 2. So 48 goes inside our bush shelter and 2 goes on the outside. That's the number we're dividing by. First digit is 4. How many 2s are there in 4? There are 2. And how many 2s are there in 8? There are 4. Answer is 24. Okay, and lastly guys, the last one is in the 2 times table, and the number we are dividing is 26. We put 26 inside our bush shelter, and we are dividing by 2. So first digit, 2. How many 2s are there in 2? There is 1. Next digit, 6. How many 2s are there in 6? There are 3. Answer is 13. So that's it guys. Bush shelter division. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you understand division a little bit more. I'll put some more videos on. Look out for them soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.